Hello, I'm Jan from ADVACAM Technical Support. Today I will show you how to create a virtual dummy device with your PIXet, so you can test your online scripting or process your data without the physical device being connected. When you launch PIXet without your device connected, you can see this file device 0 information. When you click play, you can see some sample data on the screen. However, if you wish to work with your data, it might be useful to create a dummy device. In your PIXet folder, locate the dummy.ini file. Here you can set up the number of dummy devices connected. Here you set number of chips, your chip ID, and type of your device according to the hint below. You simply save the file. Then open PIXet ini file and change the value of use updata there from true to false. Launch PIXet again. And now you can work with the virtual device as if it was connected.
ADVACAM, imaging the unseen.